Hello guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the video for the MX5 ND Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket install. The bracket is this one, and it comes with the hardware necessary for mounting a fire extinguisher. You need to buy your own fire extinguisher, which you can get off our website, and then also a caged extinguisher like that one. This is the one that we sell. It's a twin latch and it's really nice. But if you're in America or England, there's a few other companies that sell extinguishers. The way you install it is very simple. You need a ratchet, extension, and a E12 Torx bit. Now an E12 Torx bit is the recommended tool. However, you can carefully get away with just using a 10mm socket. Just be very careful and don't round off the heads of the E12 Torx bits. The way we mount the bracket is very easy. You take the two front seat bolts out and then you mount the extinguisher cage to the bracket and then put the bracket in place and put the two bolts back in. Very easy, but I'll show you how to do it. Once the bolts are out, take the cage and the extinguisher apart and mount the extinguisher cage to the bracket. These are M5 nuts and bolts, and you can use a couple of 8mm spanners. Once that cage is installed on the bracket, now put the bracket in place and use the two factory seat bolts to put in place. Screw them in initially by hand and then tighten them up with the socket. Then once that's done, put your extinguisher into its cage and latch it all up. And you're done.